Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hi CC, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm well, thank you, man. How was your day?
It's been great, thanks. And yours?
So the thing is, now, the problem with great and good is not a good, really reflection. As people, we don't get supported because we often use words like good, cool, okay. What I'm looking for is, how are you really? Like, how was your day really?
The thing is, at work we are discouraged
To look after your mental health.
to put on our personal things with the customer.
Unless the customer is asking. Then what happens in that case? Because now it's coming from the customer. And the customer is always, let me give you a hint, what's the opposite of left?
I was left behind.
Opposite of left. Don't put other words. If it's not left, it's the customer. Yeah?
Right wing.
Yes. Even when you are directing somebody, you can say, and then you will go straight and then take the customer. Then it's left and then take the customer. Because the customer is always right.
Can I help you today, Mr. Customer?
There we go. I think now you've got something memorable to tell.
You're always
them
memorable.
at home.
You are the most memorable customer we have. Every time I'm on the phone, every time I come here to this job,
Thank you.
I leave with something memorable from
Oh,
you.
this is
specifically.
wonderful. Oh, I've also got something to tell them at home that I'm memorabilia. That's what they must call me from now on. Well, I'm glad to have lifted your mood, my darling. No. You are perfect.
Okay.
Now, if you can just load airtime for me on this show
Would
instead
love
of
to.
telling me your personal life
Oh,
details, then I
see?
will appreciate
And this is
it.
exactly why we are discouraged because Nyakwa is not changing ngondo, but you're also always right.
She's saying at the customer, ma'am, just teaching you a lesson in customer service.
Oh, of course. There's always something to learn. Thank you so much.
Should I hold on to rate this call?
No. You don't have to do that. Thanks. Bye. Boop, boop, boop. Worst customer ever, bro. Hello, everybody, and welcome
That's
to
good.
the beautiful show
Called the Bling Line.
called The Bling Line.
Yeah, absolutely. Shout out for joining us, guys. It's me, Tamzwibiri, Tamzwaiko, Idian on the run.
And it's me, Usiswenu, Talita Ngasta. Yeah, cabbage.
Wow, Shama Kapage.
Dandiaz, okay. When you were still alive, oh, may the Lord rest his soul in peace.
Hey, boy, young man, I'm a Kapage. Alude! Uti, I haven't pressed play and I can already tell we're going to feast. Get on the train, teabag! As Tamzwibiri would say.
I've never heard you say that. Ew.
Oh, do you even listen to me on this show?
That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, often I say that. I do say that. I'm not going to say I say it all the time because that would not be true. But I definitely, yes. And it comes from, in a film was called Field. That was so long ago, bro. This is 2005. This is Teshare. That was, a couple of years ago.
The guy trying to escape from jail.
Yeah, so T-Peg. Yeah, my T-Peg.
I never watched that thing.
Oh, really? Kungona uzaqala prison break at this age.
Why? Why would I?
Come on. Give it a chance.
So that
Everyone was watching it. It was really cool.
yes, back in 2005. I've missed 20 years.
I've just started a series that I haven't watched.
What?
That in Dalanzani.
Iman.
Heroes.
Oh, saving the. That's why you were saying you have to save the cheerleader.
Cheerleader.
Because I thought you'd watched it already long
I
time
did,
ago.
but I've forgotten completely about it. So now it's like brand new to me.
And how's it going? It was a good show, Shem. It should be culturally relevant for a long time to come.
100%. This episode was about Sibling Circle.
Yes, this was our Sibling Circle episode where we had Mam Zubela and Mothio on the show.
Muteo. There we go.
Madam Thick says, Mam Zubzi, chaman. Also, I love her honesty about how she mistreated her brother. Most people are not willing to own that.
Yeah. Look, and I think a big part of that is we miss the opportunity to then make right our wrongs once we don't want to own them. And I think, yeah, all well and good, wrongdoing when you don't know. I think it changes the complete picture once you stick to that wrongdoing or you continue doing it. So, yes, that's where the real danger is, guys, because I feel like for me, mistake is a mistake up until you know that it was a mistake.
Sure.
Then, when you know that it was a mistake,
and you still do nothing.
I know, so jail time. Because no, man. And you can still come back, man. You can still come back. I can't imagine how difficult that must have been as a 12-year-old, 12, 15, 16-year-old to be able to be like, yeah, no, bro, I need to change. I can't imagine. But also it just doesn't get easier the more into it you get. So yeah, man. Yeah, that was quite something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ushantel Uti smiling throughout like a pregnant mosquito. When did we get to pregnant mosquitoes?
Yeah, no,
smiling.
I
love this. I've heard it so many times though. I love this episode, Shem. Yeah.
Yeah, no, shout out Chantal. Yeah, it was a very beautiful episode, and I think a lot of people share that very same sentiment.
No, for sure.
Not the pregnant mosquito, but like the love part, I think. So thank you for that.
Also, mosquitoes get pregnant.
Zizalwa njani ezinye mosquito?
Amaqanda. Umuntu xa eneqanda pregnant.
Iphuma phi iqanda?
Comes out of their butts.
Iphuma emzimbeni. So can't do this. I cannot.
I am 5 years old. Do you not know this about me?
No. Where does it come from? Not where does it come out of.
Is that not where does it? Is that not where it comes from? Semantics with Samantha.
I can 100% relate to their tricky sibling relationship in the beginning. My oldest brother, who is years older than me, and I did not get along at all when we were younger. We both were toxic towards each other. Imagine little humans being toxic. Like, this is my whole thing. And like, because I always thought of toxicity to be like an adult thing for some odd reason, not personally. In my 4-year-old, toxic. But it makes perfect sense.
Yeah, but also...
Toxic is toxic whether you know or whether you don't know.
Yeah, for sure.
It doesn't change it being toxic.
Yeah. But a lot of the time, ababancinci bayifunda i-behavior yabo ye-toxicity.
Kwabadala. And umnaqombe, okay, sure, nam ndakwazi.
Yes, exactly. Basenza njena mos up.
Wathinta imbokodo. We did not even speak. Wow. Yeah, man. To a point where I thought we would never, ever get along. If you would see how close we are now, that we are both adults, you wouldn't believe there was so much animosity between us. Yeah. And I'd love to know
how you got there.
How you got there. That would be very, very interesting to me in terms of what then became the pivotal point for you guys in terms of that, and also who changed it first. Emncinci enjalo Hey, yazi abantwana akho buncinci man. If you are old enough to understand something, you are old enough to change it. And yeah, man, and I guess I'm just grateful that you guys got to that point. Okay? It would just be very interesting. But I know, but in general, iba ku realize, okay, pride, no, yo, which sounds so easy, but is easy. It's difficult.
Yes.
You look in your pride, man.
Yeah, it should be. Especially so young person. I think maybe it gets harder the older you get. But so young person.
And it shouldn't get harder. Because
Yeah.
also siyazi man finding pride bayenza ntoni. Yo, yamosha man. Yo, hey, but easier said than done. But also easy to do, man. Ifuna nje ungayicingi igqithi. Actually, I don't know.
We cover phezulu.
I don't know if it's easy or hard now.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I completely don't know. But thank you for that, Cooks.
Yeah.
And yeah, shout out to you and your brother
For sure.
for both doing the work because it's a two-man job.
Ew.
Just like Animosity was built 2 men, it's a 2-man job.
For sure. Uthi uphelo. Oh, bekumnandi apha. Munati hori. Thank you, Mam Zwigo and Muteo, for coming and sharing with us. What a beautiful example of reconciliation and thrivalry. Kuhle man apha and kuhealthy hori. Mudimo anigcine lotle bathandekayo. Sana lam. Languages. This is my version. So isiXhosa and Setswana isiXhosa. Very cool. Muteo and his criteria. I get the language. Eksanalam andifuni nami ube ndi-defender apha as ifamily. Funeke sibe self-aware, sizazi i-triggers zethu wethina. So that izinto zizohamba right. I-triggers zenu ngabantu abangakhumshiyo.
Your trigger, your
Problem.
problem. Hamba nje sina. Now uzazi kule ndawo kuyo ke utriggerisha abantu ke phelo. What that's so difficult. Such a difficult thing to meet.
What?
Le nto uba uhamba utriggerisha abantu wena because ba-triggered now.
Yeah, but you know, when you first started saying your trigger, your problem, didn't sit where like because I was always like, what? But the thing is, i-trigger yakho kufuneke usebenze wena to a point where I say your trigger kuwe lonto.
Healing.
Yeah. Therefore, I get it now.
Because asizoyeka thina uyenza le nto ekutriggerisayo.
And
yena mntu oqhubekayo nguwe.
exactly. And also, asizazi triggers zabantu bonke who are in our lives.
Sizazi.
Yeah, exactly.
Kule nto uba nawe ungazazi trigger zakho zonke.
Yeah, exactly.
Enye uyibona for the first time. Wothuke ngoku xa kusenzeka into ethile ba. Hey, i-reaction yam 10 into understand. New trigger. And yeah, this is the thing. I suppose, so you're telling me Saba triggered forever?
No.
Get to a point whereby nothing triggers you.
You should be able to.
Sure. Sabawell ungatriggerisheki. Hayi. And triggerisha le nto ndibuze. Hayi masingahlekisi ngetrigger. But also inyani, it's your responsibility. It-trigger zethu guys, responsibility zethu.
For sure, because would you rather obey koboka to all your triggers? Because that's exactly what it is. You are then a slave to your triggers.
Yeah, but then it works for us, Mosanditi.
Yes, sometimes, not all the time. It works for us, Kabantu, who know. But do you know how many people don't know? More people.
Yeah, look.
People who know.
And even the people that know, right, as they come up, it works in terms of, but it works because it feeds the ego. It's a pride thing. It's a no. And
you don't have to work at it.
And you don't have to work at it. So it's suitable. Good. But yeah, long term, it just doesn't work. So yeah, a lot of work that needs to be done there.
Yeah, but also with Mateo, it's not a trigger, it's a criteria. Uchilo yan.
Face.
Excuse me. Thanks, Pelo.
Let's take the next one. Uli Uti, I've been waiting. Did I read the last one as well?
No, I did.
Uli Uti, I've been waiting for this episode, and I couldn't stop smiling while watching it. I really enjoyed this one, and honestly, I believe many relationships fall apart when the older sibling refuses to ukuzehlisa. There's so much to learn here, Shem. Keep loving each other, man. It's beautiful to witness. I also struggle to tell my siblings I love you. But my little bro is teaching me otherwise. Shout out, little bro. He's the opposite of me. Still so young. Yet already showing me how powerful those words can be. Oh,
that's
so
super
sweet.
It is. It really is. Because Abba, the younger ones come in with no reservations, no.
Azanga then I heard trying indoors before. Oh, that's what.
Abana mama. Hi, Mom.
awukwazi ngokuthi I love you to ibrother yakho encinci because i-love kuwe enye into ise-trigger. I love you. Oh, son. Le nto nawe ungathi I love you kum nje willy-nilly. Uthi I love you nge-crush time wena xa izinto zi-serious.
Because I show you I love you. I don't have to tell you all the time.
Ngixelele mfondini.
Ufuna uyiva wena
Yeah.
more often.
Yeah.
Every day.
In even each and every day.
And then when uzongixelela nini because
Apha
you're the same.
siyawudibana phambili. Fundiswe nguwe kaloku, must remember mna.
Oh,
Wena,
so uzova kum. Okay. Fair.
Yes,
I'll
you-
take it, bro.
you are my first
Teacher.
teacher of love and what love looks like and how it behaves. You understand? So, londo leyo, I can struggle to say I love you in relationships. And it might be because of you. Elba, you love me. Now, bucimba, feel and alpha or something. So, okay.
You're literally the worst and the best little brother in the world.
You know what I mean? And that's the closest I'll get to I love you from Talita, ladies and gentlemen. Like me a bit of peppers.
Stop it. I love you, Mnazukondim.
I can't commend so much.
At the end, I can't do anything right. Because I don't love you so much. I don't love you
I
enough.
love you at the end of the day. I don't want to be loved at the end of the day.
At the beginning of the
like,
day.
uthandwa kakhulu. Like, love or you feel it towards me like intense. Does it bring you to tears when you think about how much you love me?
Sometimes.
Just like that.
Yes.
Oh, phone video call.
Never. We are cancer. The problem is one. I would do all of these things, but we are zondigezela ngazo. Zondigezela nge-positivity. Who does that? You know who? A little brother.
One phone on the verge of tears, that want to tell me, Tingaji cow, sabi ID number, namjaktana maslavini.
Akogeza ke.
Okay. No, that's nice. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Now I'm saying to a chance that I love you too, Malamin. I love you, in fact, not you too. I love you.
Thanks.
Also
I believe
me.
you.
True.
Hey, Dave, behave yourself. Thanks, Lee.
Yeah.
Utu no tomato. Yeah. I'm not done, but I'm already crying because of the therapy story.
Yo, bruh.
Oh, Sana, it's so hard being a firstborn. I have a baby brother that's 6 years younger than me, and the relationship is so hard to navigate.
What makes it hard, guys? As elder siblings.
You know what I think makes it hard? I mean, there's more than one thing that makes it hard, but I think one of the things that does make it hard is that you are not told of what is expected.
Okay.
This is also your first time as an older sibling now. Don't know what to do. So I see now, like, kwabantwana abancinci who become older siblings, how they are kind of gossared into the role and spoken to about the role and the expectations and what's going to happen when he gets here, and I might need you to. Whereas we're
Good
not.
enough for.
Yeah.
What an adult conversation that she didn't sign up for.
For sure, but you're also then expected to act in an adult kind of way.
Fair.
So why not have an adult conversation with your child
Fair.
when you're going to expect them to act like an adult?
Fair. And look, and I suppose maybe a lot of that as well is hidden in them doing these things. The older siblings doing these things outside of the presence yomzali. Because when a one shout our tin umzali is just like, Pamben, sister wako lo brother wako. Don't do that. Ha, ibe khona la part ngokwezinto ezenziwa in private. Ezaziwa nguwe nalo mntu uzenza kuye only.
Mm-hmm.
Which is also so strange because it's like the person knows that they're doing wrong.
Yeah.
They ask for it, but I equal in the inside.
Yeah. But I've already created animosity between the two of us because of Bam Nanbon Bangati. You are treated like an egg and I must just come to the party like I know what to do.
Or even just like kind of like a sharing thing. Because now you understand, but now I literally overnight have to share everything.
Share the amount of
Time. Quality time
that my parents used to
toys.
Used to spend with me. I must now share it. Share my toys, share my
Yungindo. Hey, what a tough job. So I suppose the job is what is on parents.
Yeah.
Now let's 6-year-old in a job.
Yeah, but you must prepare me for the job.
Yes. Whoa! What a challenge, Nangam. I'm just thinking of the 50 after your sibling is 6 years younger than you. After the 6 years of you being the sole focus, and now how that 50% up, if you get it right, is how hard it is to achieve that.
Sure. It's not an easy thing, that's for sure.
Because the parent by parent of two.
Exactly. It's not an easy thing for the parent now. It's not easy for the one who's now the deputy parent now. Also because you don't quite understand what that means, because we now, as the kids, expect the mom to know more, the dad to know more. But it's also the mom and the dad's first time doing it. But they have a little bit more capacity to guide us in this situation.
That's why this person is also opposite to you. We girl, lumdo boy. That for me.
Yes.
There was a whole new spanner in the works.
Oh boy, stress. Oh yeah, baleka. Oh yeah.
Because like girl, at least no understand.
Yeah, because you've lived there before.
Now wants to look up your friends' dresses. Because you have full backhaul. Yakuprenga.
Yakuprenga. Oh, sanalam.
Yeah, no, Doug. Yeah, no, guys, all the best, man. And I think just the intentionality around it, as I always say, such an easy word, but so difficult to put into practice. But nothing beats trying as hard as it is to navigate.
Sure.
Yeah. Thanks for that, Tomato. Azaluve uthando lwabazali bakhe.
Hola.
Uti, I fully get Mamzupela. I was an only child for 14 glorious years. I'm 21 now and my sister is 7, and I'm still learning how to be a sibling. I'm still learning how to be a full-time older sister, because with my younger brother, he stayed with his mom and we were cool. With Eva, umama always says, Andimazi umdana. And the thing I always stress is I really don't. I've been a third in a cousin trio my whole life, and that was what I knew. And now I'm learning to share myself, my energy with a tiny one. No,
little tiny one.
Oh, man. Yeah, look, man, I think
21 and 7 is wild times.
21 and 7, yeah, absolutely. A 14-year gap. It's a huge gap.
Yeah.
And a gap that I think maybe you might be even a lot more prepared for than if you were younger. Or one that you can quickly make certain realizations and be able to turn around okwangoko, because you can easily be that tiny one's biggest hero ever in this life. So it's also a massive opportunity to be able to do that. And I think that goes hand in hand with our ability to the ability to do our best, because really it's you who can really, really, really turn that around.
Yeah, for sure. I think it's really important to look at that small child as somebody, firstly, who will always look up to you. And how then do you want that to be? How do you want to be looked at in the through the eyes of Lamdan?
Yeah, yibona yo basikiza ne-stress ngiyobona akafuneka uziphathe kahle nindoni.
Yes, dog. Being a hero is not an
Yeah,
easy
being a
job.
hero is it's quite something. It takes a lot of doing. But yeah, I think definitely well within your hands and well within your reach, to be able to stretch a little bit outside of yourself into the other you, the greater you that you still want to be. So take this opportunity to do that.
Cute.
No, so okay. That's what I just said, but okay.
Okay. Thanks, Azar. Uti Unaledi, lovely episode as always. This really resonated with me. My little sister is also 8 years younger than me. What? It's crazy. Did you not want a child? Then one day, 8 years later, you're like, you know what? Let's make another one.
Fondini itsho nalangoma yepiano.
Thini?
Itamaphutha yayenzeka.
So little sister yakho liphutha.
Hayi ndiyadlala.
But see, my little sister is also 8 years younger than me, and I never realized until now that some of the resentment I felt toward her wasn't really about her.
What was it about?
It was about suddenly feeling responsible for helping raise a child when I was still a child myself. We're incredibly close now, and she's one of my best friends. But thank you for putting words to a feeling I could never quite identify. That level of self-awareness is powerful. It's a pleasure, yes.
Uphiwe ispan ubungasifuni. That doesn't pay well.
It doesn't pay at all.
Yeah. That's tough, bro. That is tough. I like to think I'd be a great bigger brother, but I don't think I am in general, because there are banbasendlini, ideas endlini and whatnot and whatnot. And I'm thinking to myself, but it's easy to think about how if this is all one. I feel like it's a big let off.
Yeah.
Which shouldn't be the case. So okay. I don't know where that came from. But hectic.
Yeah.
Iyafuna ujonga closely manyan.
Yeah, but I think the beauty of this comment is that Unaledi did not realize the resentment she felt wasn't about the little one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fair.
And so living for years and years with resentment for the wrong person is also insane.
Yeah.
It's a crazy thing to go through.
Sure.
Also being not able to put words to your own feelings.
Yeah. And I think there's a lot to be said, or at least there's something to be said then about just that, about the responsibility that is put on older sibling for their younger sibling.
Mm-hmm. And instead of parents going,
this is not your responsibility, babe.
But also, it's just like, tell me what you're feeling.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm feeling. I didn't know.
Yes. Yes.
What I do know is that you irritate me. Had no clue why.
Yeah, for sure. And,
so you can't explain
and you're
that.
not allowed to say, oh, I hate him. Because that's how you feel sometimes.
But why do you hate him? What you do know that so that becomes challenging when you also might be able to, because then your parents gonna ask you and why? Because you don't you can't grasp that I'm on a responsibility that I've been given a responsibility that I actually
Didn't
know.
ask for, yeah.
You only figure that out later. Or sometimes when you watch a podcast and someone articulates it, you're like, actually.
That's exactly what it was. Yeah.
So what, is this a call to parents now to not make the small one a responsibility of the big one?
Yeah.
And to keep the responsibility themselves?
Yes.
Fairs. Fair. Which I think happens so... And it's not something that people actively think about.
No.
To say, it's not that the older one, yeah, imagine trying to raise your second born exactly how you raised your firstborn. Oh, what a tiring job. Also,
Yes.
I got things to do, mate.
And now she'll have Bukalo Popeye. Do something.
Bukalo Popeye, come, you sing a song. Tabi Rama. And I went in all of Natria, Rama, Sika.
In
Forced sharing. Yeah, just because it's a good thing of sharing. It can't be forced because it's got detrimental results.
Yeah.
Bayafuna socialize abantwana and his second born and last born ziyafuna uraiswa like the others did, not by the others. Akumanda uthetha xa ungenancosi. Dilinde i-comment abezathi khayitry
Yeah. No, of course, it's easier said than done, for sure.
Yeah.
And because if you've never also been in that situation, or I was with Teta till the cows come home about the situation.
Yeah, for sure. But also sometimes there is value in someone who's never been in that situation.
Yeah.
There is another perspective that
Yes.
they bring.
Yeah.
Have you ever had someone who's not in the problem that you are in give you perspective and you're like, actually, bengayibona ngolo hlobo.
Because the going engagin
Absolutely.
inside the dog.
Yeah.
Phakathi endlini.
Wow. Hectic. Yeah, no, thanks for that, Naledi. Ulanga Onako uti, oh, Sana, I've been a bling for years now. Oh, imagine years. And now, for years now, and andizikhumbuli nakanye ndikhomenda, but today, ngaske ndikhomende nge-VN. I usually watch on YouTube, but I had to download Spotify for this one. Well done to you.
Yeah.
I couldn't wait. Shame, ndithe xa ndiyibona izolo iclip yayo kwistory sikaMamZuphela ku-Instagram ndaleqa ku-YouTube. Xa ndisithi azikapost. Inyani ezingapha. Oh, yes. Ndabona ukuthi andizukwazi tu ukulinda. Shame, this episode was so good. Ndicinga nokuyiphinda xa niyireleasile ku-YouTube futhi. Bro.
Eyaphinda.
Yeah, no. Emnandi iyaphindeka. Ifana nengoma. Yeah, no, shout out, man. Yeah, inyani ezingapha. No, too many truths, bro. I just love how it was all shared so openly and honestly. I remember when Panzana naphuma amehlo phone ngixakisa. Xa uMamZwaygo esithi, no, as the abuser, that whoa. And she was just like,
Yeah.
yeah, but that's what it is, though. That's what I was doing. Yeah, that rocked me. That was the sentence that rocked me, bro. And I think sometimes you don't realize just because we're not doing things that we typically name abusers who will do as beti, as teeny. But I think we definitely do sometimes find ourselves in those kinds of situations. And it's good to own it.
Thank you, Langa. It's awesome that something brought you out of your bling
The
shell.
darkness.
Yeah.
Out of the shadows.
Yeah.
Into the light.
Thanks, Langa.
100%.
But Madam President Matteo is so cute with his cute smile.
Really? Okay.
I don't hate. Why are you hating?
Uh,
He's a cutie.
I mean, he's alright, bro. Like, ngumchita. Like, I go bad. Like, ngamnika mhlambi like a 3 out of 10.
Who would you
No,
give
I
a
am.
7 out of 10?
Yeah?
Who would you give a 7 out of 10 to?
I'm gonna have to think now. I don't know. Maybe like me.
Okay.
And who else? Yeah, that's about it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, no, mhlambi me, Tyson Beckford. You don't.
You and Tyson.
Yeah.
Same WhatsApp.
Yeah, in
But-
fact, now I got 6.8. You can round him off to a 7. You know what I mean?
What?
But
It's wild. If you guys don't know who Tyson Beckford is, please use your Google. Look him up. Take a screen grab of his picture. Then take a screen grab of this guy.
Yeah, but right, cute, Mateo, go handsome, cute, yeah. He's gonna kill me for this.
Thanks, Madam President. I'm sure Mutel would.
What's happening? Love to see that comment.
Yeah, sure.
Ubuhle uthi, oh my goodness, I can relate to this story and being in the brother's shoes. For me, it was most of my junior, high school, and tertiary years.
Oh.
Imagine that life. It's only now it's starting to get better, and I don't feel like I want to run into the next room when my brother is there. Only because our mother was like, you guys don't talk. When one comes in, the other one leaves. You guys are going to talk it out now. Aren't we glad for parents who step in? Yes, bro. We are glad for parents who step in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And I think also what a crazy thing to have to navigate as a parent. Especially when you didn't experience it growing up, where you just take for granted. But siblings only to find out and how painful it must be as well to find out. So shout out to the parents, Nyani, for stepping in. And shout out to you guys, man, for opening up to each other.
For sure.
And navigating a way of doing so.
Yeah.
Yeah, for so long as it's guys.
Yeah. I can't imagine how it must have been to have lived through most of your life.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that shapes you, bro.
Yeah.
That shapes you. And to be able to unlearn those things takes some doing. So massive shout out to you, Bushles. Thank you for that.
Yeah. Uthi Ukwanda Photography. Hey, we love our older siblings so much. Lapo, they treat us like germs. But we thank the Lord for time.
Diarrhea. Oh, then niggas is the domestos. Yeah. Hey, guys. Siyalithanda nyani kana nisithithi ngathi sizi-germs nyani,
Yeah,
guys.
it's our first time here too.
Huh?
It's also our first time.
Yeah, no, it sounds more like an excuse to me than
Oh, really?
taking, ownership of a situation. To treat someone like the way that they don't treat you. There is some form of accountability that needs to be taken by you guys. Got about. Aye, khona accountability if neniyithathile bafethu. Those treat are like gems. For nasenza ngano. This is the whole thing. Treat your parents like germs, bro.
You can't.
Oh, boyaboyika bona.
Yeah.
Okay. So misuse le ingazo defenseless little creature. You see? Yeah, you see. Like on a really serious note, there is something to be looked at there, bro.
It's hard to take responsibility.
For something that you're responsible for.
No, when you're 3 years old.
Sure, 100%.
And 4 and 5 and 6.
Yes, that's fine. But at a point when you realize, then that's where the change can come.
That's if you realize. So.
100%. But all I'm saying is that at the end of the day, whatever point you realize, it's about being able to say, actually, nah, ayinguye mphula. Umdazehlise so that they can, even if it's not to mend the relationship, but just to I wonder how many older siblings owe their younger siblings an apology. Or apologies that will never get received by the younger sibling.
Okay. Let me be the first.
Oh. You can't tell me, ma'am, the acceptance and apology yakho. Wenzela bani, wenzela mna, ka wenzela wena.
Did I tell you how to accept?
Kaloku usuke wathi ubuso xa nsithi mna, how? Yeah, that's all. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen.
To say, for having treated you in a way that you did not deserve. Because I don't want to qualify it. I don't want to,
What do you mean?
I don't want to go, but because
I didn't know better.
Yeah. That's it.
Ndiyaxolela.
Because
Ngaphindi. That's okay. Hey.
thanks, why?
Yo, look, that short sentence is also such a powerful sentence. It's also such a powerful sentence. Ndicela uxolo for treating you in a way that you didn't deserve to be treated. Because at the end of the day, you did that. And I didn't deserve it. Kasizame man, guys. Ngusisi wethu omdala usibonisile baqhutywa njani. Ba ke ndizawufumana i-response efana nale yam. I don't know, but I think it's definitely worth a try. Especially now, bro. Because also, it's better uxolisa ngento years back nobuxolisa ngento yangoku. So stop doing it now so you don't have to apologize for it now. And you can apologize ngento eyenzeka kudala. And again, don't qualify it. I love that part. On demo or 3638, it's crazy how my sibling and I have an inverse timeline of what is presented here. From best friends to just high and never buy. This motivates me to initiate improvement. But it's so hard because you know they will mosher you again and 10 times worse this time around.
You don't know that.
Yeah, you don't know that. And also, maybe, so to your point, Talisa, maybe they won't. And maybe they will. But let's also think about the fact that how many people do we forgive that mosher us over and over and over?
That aren't our siblings.
Funding, and look, at the end of the day, it's worth a try. It's worth a try. The last thing you want of having what ifs.
It's crazy, man, how people would rather forgive their partners who treat them terribly all the time than forgive their siblings.
Yeah.
It's so insane.
Yeah. Yeah. And the thing is, quite an unusual most random thing. The guy is called Sam the Motivator. That's his name.
Okay.
He's like stage name.
No.
And the song says, "The flowers can't hear your apology." Powerful song. You guys should have a look at it.
Is that the name of the song?
Yeah, I'm still trying to decide if he's AI or not. It's like I'm sure.
I'm getting down up.
But the message is super powerful, bro. That message is super powerful. You guys should have a look there. Kazame man on demo. Just give it a try.
Uti Uli Goddess, I love this episode so much. As a firstborn and a sister to my siblings, I learned a whole lot.
And whole lot and accountability.
A whole lot. And accountability is the most highlighted word. This was truly beautiful. Thank you so much, siblings.
Shout out, bro. Yeah, I think we all learned a lot, man. We all learned a lot. And I think having the two perspectives really kind of like Yenze, Apelela, you know?
Not a perspective.
Yes, we got it. We got a perspective from a perspective Mandi that ended well. Not all do, but I think having an example of how it could turn out, because I think a lot of the times we think about what can go wrong and we don't necessarily think about what can go right. And sometimes when we see what can go right and how it can go, it kind of can change things for us. But yeah, definitely I'm with you on the accountability part, man. Yeah, that was a big part of that episode. And a big part of what contributed to what is right now. So yeah, got it. I'm with you there, Lee Goddess.
Thank you.
Yabulela. Cheli Doga Burekwe. Ati Mutewa is standing in for Zuko will make a lot of sense. Very smart, articulate Oaks. Beautiful episode. # family affair. Shout out. Yeah, Kaipi, P's Mutewa for yay! It's two P's for us. I'm joking. That would have been really, really cool.
He's those young 2000 who took our jobs.
Who took our jobs? Never. I could never do what he does.
Took our jobs.
didn't take jack from me. Yeah. Thank you for that. I appreciate that so much. Siyabulela, man. Yeah, that would make a lot of sense, actually. That would make a lot of sense. Maybe one day when I'm not free.
Who can take my place?
No one can take your place on this earth.
Not on this earth, on this.
Do you think two people could take our...
Podcast.
No, it would have to be one.
Yeah.
It would have to be one person
Yeah.
and Beko, one of us.
Yeah.
Shout out to that.
Thanks, Shelly.
Yeah.
Utu Khomotso, I absolutely love this episode. The bravery from Mace left my jaw on the floor. That's why working on self is extremely crucial in order to be a better individual, not only for ourselves, society, but especially for our loved ones. Thanks, guys. Love y'all. Big shout out, Macy Facey.
Uyayibona laa nto uba is-self, working on self, not only for to be a better individual, not only for ourselves, but for society and our loved ones. Working on one thing affects other things. And that's what we fail to realize sometimes. We think that the self-work is only going to do something for us when it actually does something for everyone around us and in turn more for us. So yeah, shout out. I'm a massive fan of that working on self, which is difficult, but worth it on every single corner.
Yeah, I saw something last week sometime that said there's no such thing as a good person. There is the person who did the work.
Ooh. Yeah. I guess never fit. That's the one thing that we can't run away from. Just work, man.
Thanks, Khomotso.
Thanks for that. Much appreciated. Pelisa M. Uti Dunusa being looked down is ending me. I'm stealing this. Be piling piling you just look down. I part that's barely gas.
Thanks.
Go look down it. Yeah, that was quite funny.
Yeah, that was
Shout out for that. Thank you.
Uthi ukeketso Xholu. It would have been nice to hear Mam Zupela's first impression of her sister-in-law. Enjoyed every bit of this episode. Bring them back again.
Yeah. What was your first impression, sister-in-law?
I don't have much. It makes us so quiet. It's hard, like, to build an impression.
You can definitely build an impression
on a
someone.
quiet, yeah, for sure. But I was just like, I guess I'm gonna have to meet her a couple more times to be able to build an impression. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Instead of going, I too like it. You know.
So what was your first impression?
I didn't have one. I was just like, she's really quiet.
And then you built, and then you saw a couple of more times in order to build the first impression. And what was the first?
An impression.
Okay.
Yeah. I had a first impression, and my first impression was, she's really quiet.
It ends there. Hectic.
I don't like making...
Yeah, phase. You're really good at that then in that case. Because I feel like in as much as we don't like it, we always do it anyways. We find, or I like to maybe sometimes catch myself doing it. Even as much as I know, Kuti. Yeah, but it's not something that I want to do. It's not something that's cool. It's not something that's determining of anything. But I always, sometimes, a lot of the time, will find myself doing it. It's really cool that you can find yourself not doing that.
Yeah.
Superpower.
Yeah, but look, it's something I've worked on because obviously it's the easy thing to do.
Yeah.
But I've just realized how we can completely misinterpret people by giving a
and that messes up your whole impression, your whole thing going forward from there.
Exactly.
Because you think around, but hey, kanjani? Nobody's sell. Usibahle Mpambani uthi, I watched this episode with subtitles because the vile English that's used apha inum.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Mm.
And when I noticed that they would get mixed up, xa inguTalita no ta abathethayo, I laughed hard. I enjoyed his subtitles mixed up like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Enjoyed this episode. Enkosi Talita for uqinisa sisterhood wathetha naye uMamZubela because kaloku omnye umbala andifuni nothetha. Whatever. I'm watching for the 4th time now. Shout out to you.
Thanks
That's
for
lovely.
watching 4 times.
No, absolutely. Shout out to you. Yeah, I mean, num nyan for in English for no the English Talita. Yay. No was, no is. Thetha into serious. Thetha nge-anecdote pa. Yeah, anecdote.
Sibahle, thank you so much for your comment.
Huh? Intrinsic. Ukumsebenzi intrinsic.
Uthi umen's 11 M4X. Lol. I see a lot of myself in Masivedi. My sisters even say I'm uptight because they can't share much to me, especially about boyfriends. I'm also uncomfortable with that. And how you always want to please people, don't want to hurt them at... Why can't I see? Don't want to hurt them at your expense. Your kindness, Nje, it's just me. And when you realize this, you want to change. But it's tough.
It's tough.
Mm.
Oh, it's tough. It's tough. There's a lot of things that we realize that are just tough, man. And we're just like, yo, guys. But kuko umvuzo at doing the toughness and the tough jobs and all of those things. There's definitely a reward at the end of the day. And that's something that I don't want us to ever forget. But a reward icon. Not land, but it was a reward. No, like an actual reward. The Totlo Ramata, last comment. Uti, yo, yazi. This show is honestly helping so many of us look inward and heal the relationships we have with our siblings. When you're in a place where family dynamics are tough, seeing brothers and sisters sibling well hits you differently. It sparks something deep inside that makes you want to step up, take the initiative and repair what's broken. However, the energy has to be reciprocated. You can take the lead, but your siblings also need to be willing to do the work. Yay, also uMamZubela and Muteo Batung, y'all are gorgeous, Bathong. Yeah. Now, simisana phi ke ngoku with the reciprocation. What happens when you try and they don't reciprocate? Qhubekeke umntu ethatha i-remote eyitshintsha.
You can then go, I did my part. And that monkey comes off your back.
How many times must I do my part? That's the thing. Because you must remember now, if, let's say, for argument's sake, you are the older sibling and you've been snatching that remote for 8 years, how many years are you going to try and make a?
I don't think it's how many years, it's how many times.
Okay, how many?
3 times is enough.
Oh, come on. Be serious.
Yes.
3 times. You've damaged me for 8 years. And now you are going to extend an olive branch 3 times and that's it. What is that number even based on?
On my feelings.
Huh?
My feelings.
Sure.
I have no idea, dog. Honestly, I don't know. What do you think?
I think a good measure is also looking back to see how long did it take for us to get here.
And then?
Use that as a benchmark. Use that as a benchmark because look, at the end of the day, right? It's like it took 8 years to get us where we are, and I want to undo it in 6 months. Is that fair?
I don't know.
That's the question that I asked, and I'm just like, no, it's not fair. That's the immediate answer that I received. Aiko fair. How? Why? Also, why in this after 3 times?
Once after 2 months. Because I feel like, oh, actually, unobunxilile wena. Awundiboni mos wena uba ngicela uxolo. Uba, really, we should definitely look at how much time has been spent building this thing. And that should, maybe, we can use that as a marker. That definitely helps. But yeah, easy to say, as usual. But at the end of the day, Nyan, man, guys, I think we really do more damage than we think as people. And then we come back and we're like, yo, whatever, bro. Because I said, sorry. Wow. Okay, cool, bro. It doesn't fix anything. So I think we should just give ourselves over to really, really giving it a solid, and a good thumb rule. How long did I do the opposite? Now let me do the other way for just as long. And the reality is it won't take as long.
Yeah.
It won't.
Yeah.
You can eat yourself into weight over a period of 8 years. It's not going to take you 8 years to lose the weight. Certainly not going to take you 3 weeks. It won't even take you 3 months. But you need to keep doing it.
Yeah.
That's it for me. Thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk.
Nice one. Nice.
Yeah, well, so okay.
For the first.
Yeah, let's keep trying. Yeah. We will see you guys on the next one. But you know what it is. Keep loving each other, guys, and keep trying hard. Not only for yourselves, man, but for those around you that you love and you really care about deeply. It will all work out in the end. And if it doesn't work out, it's not the end. Damsubiri out.
Bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.